For older students, try to find a quiet spot with no distractions, somewhere they can concentrate and also be online to talk to teachers and other students during online classes without disturbing anyone else. You want them to be able to concentrate on the content and not feel self-conscious. Your dining table can be a good study space if you have younger children who need supervision. Make it easy for them to get on with the learning. Have all the equipment they need on hand: pens, pencils, paper, calculators, chargers, headphones and textbooks. Breakfast is a good time to discuss the timetable or day planner and make sure these are all visible. Try to get kids to turn off mobile devices and social media apps and games while studying. Maybe save them for breaks. Get your kids to help set up their study space and equipment. They know what they need, and this way they'll know where it all is. A regular working spot with all the stuff they will need close at hand will help put a routine in place and set expectations.